In today's world of technologically advanced fitness trends and expensive gym memberships, it's easy to neglect the deep power contained within centuries-old training methods. The horse stance is an ancient technique that has served as a core type of training for many historical martial arts schools, and it continues to provide significant physical and mental advantages even now. The horse stance is so named because it resembles someone riding a horse. In this video, we'll go over some of the surprising benefits that this seemingly easy exercise has to offer, as well as how to do it correctly so that you get the most out of it and what you must be aware of to avoid injuries. If you haven't tried horse stance training, believe me when I say it's more difficult than it appears. Even people who are used to weighted squats and other leg workouts find it challenging. Now, let's look at some of the benefits of adding horse stance exercise into your daily life. The first benefit of incorporating horse stance training is that it strengthens the lower body. This position successfully improves leg and hip strength by targeting major muscles such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. So, individuals who practice horse stance exercise should expect to see noticeable changes over time, which is a particularly beneficial asset for athletes and people looking to improve their physical performance in a variety of sports. The second benefit of horse stance training is that it can improve endurance. Maintaining a horse stance for a long period of time not only improves physical stamina, but also mental toughness. This mental strength produced by tolerating discomfort is a vital quality that extends beyond physical fitness and is useful in many aspects of life. Horse stance training is compared in Chinese philosophy to eating bitterness, which represents the physical and mental strength required to achieve desired results. The challenges of horse stance training are similar to the bitter taste of medicine that eventually leads to healing. The third noteworthy advantage of horse stance training is its significant impact on improving balance and stability. Balance and stability, which are fundamental components of a good foundation for any physical activity, are enhanced through horse stance training. This exercise improves your ability to stay grounded and identify your center of balance, which is useful in sports, martial arts, and daily activities. The fourth advantage of horse stance training is that it improves flexibility. Here's how it works. By immersing yourself in the deep squat position of the horse stance, your body is forced to adapt. It's a gentle but effective push towards a more flexible you. As you practice horse position training on a regular basis, your hips, knees, and ankles gradually gain more mobility. It's like lubricating the hinges of a squeaky door. Your joints begin to move with greater ease. This increased flexibility isn't simply a trick, it's an invisible armor against potential injuries. Now let's discuss the fifth benefit, which is increased mental focus and discipline. Maintaining a horse position for an extended amount of time necessitates complete focus. Holding the stance for a lengthy period of time is a mental struggle as well as a physical task, with each second passed demanding your complete and unwavering focus. This practice becomes a haven for developing mental toughness. As you commit to keeping the horse stance, your mind enters a state of disciplined focus. This mental discipline developed through horse stance training helps you in many aspects of your life. It's not just about putting up with the physical pain, it's also about developing a patient and disciplined mindset. In stressful situations, your mind remains calm. The sixth benefit of horse stance training is it relieves stress. Picture this in your mind. You're in the horse stance concentrating not only on your body but also on finding a sense of quiet. This is similar to a short meditation session. The tension and problems of the day begin to slip away as you focus on maintaining the stance. It's as if you're in a bubble where only the present moment is important. This exercise acts as a reset button for your mind. Work, relationship, or simply the busyness of life begins to relax their grip on you. The horse stance becomes a type of sanctuary, a chance to calm your mind. Let's get to the seventh great point about horse stance training. It's exceptionally versatile. Imagine this. You can practice horse stance training almost anywhere, at any time. It's like having a flexible exercise partner who works around your schedule. The beauty of it is that it is simple and customizable, making it ideal for a daily habit. For example, while brushing your teeth or waiting for your morning coffee, start your day with a horse stance. What's more, guess what? Not only in the morning, you can also do it before bedtime. Doing the stance before going to bed helps to relax your muscles, release tension, and prepares you for a restful night's sleep. Moreover, think about those television evenings. Instead of just sitting on the couch watching your favorite show, do some horse stance exercise. You can do it during commercials or even throughout the episode. It's a clever method to get some exercise done while still watching TV. And take note, office workers. If you've been hooked to your chair for too long, horse stance training can help. Take short pauses, find some open space, stand up, and maintain your stance for a few minutes. It's almost like a mini workout for your posture, eliminating the fatigue that comes with long sits. Even if you go to the gym, horse stance training will fit perfectly in. Test it out in between sets of other exercises. It provides a new twist to your routine and maximizes your training time, so whether you're at home, work, or the gym, the horse stance can help you get a little more activity in. It's like your flexible exercise partner, ready to accompany you wherever life takes you. Doing the horse stance correctly is crucial to maximize its benefits and avoid injuries. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform the horse stance with some key points to keep in mind. Position your feet a bit wider than shoulder width apart, creating what's known as a wide, double-weighted stance. Some experts recommend 1.5 times wider than your normal shoulder width, while others suggest doubling it. Ensure the outside edges of your feet are parallel to each other. Keep your breathing controlled, natural, and gentle. Maintain a slightly open mouth. Look straight ahead, keeping your torso and head aligned. Your eyes can be open, partially closed, or fully closed, gently. Lengthen your neck in the back, and tuck your chin slightly in. Keep your upper body relaxed. Distribute your weight evenly between both feet. Lower your body by pivoting at the pelvis, avoiding your knees moving forward past your toes. Keep your back as straight as possible. A 45-degree bend in the thighs is acceptable initially. As your muscles strengthen, you can gradually lower your stance, but avoid going beyond the point where your thighs are parallel to the ground and your knees are flexed. Maintain a relaxed lower back, with a slight tuck in the sacrum area to align the base of the spine with the top. Ensure your shoulders are directly above your hips. Avoid leaning forward, working with gravity rather than against it. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Focus on your breath, imagining the pain leaving your body with each exhale. A common practice is to keep a staff or rod across your thighs to ensure you are low enough. However, like with any workout, it is vital to listen to your body, and if you are unable to get that low at first, just go as low as you can. Some common mistakes to avoid when doing the horse stance are: don't allow an anterior pelvic tilt or curve in the lower back. Avoid leaning forward or backward. Prevent your knees from collapsing or facing inward. Ensure you're sinking from the pelvis, not bending from the knees. And lastly, don't go too low, not below 90 degrees. Thighs should be parallel to the ground. If you are just starting out, try to hold the horse stance for 1 minute and then increase the time gradually by 10 seconds as your strength and endurance improve. To wrap it up, horse stance training is an ancient practice that provides a complete approach to physical and mental well-being. It's a timeless practice that transcends current fitness's showy trends, reminding us of the profound power contained in centuries-old training methods. Whether you want to strengthen your lower body, increase endurance, improve balance, increase flexibility, sharpen mental focus, relieve stress, or enjoy a variety of workouts, the horse stance is a flexible and accessible fitness companion. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.